Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you a home decor haul from Amazon. It's been a while since I shared any kind of haul here on my channel, so I thought it was time, and I know you guys love decor, so I wanted to share with you my latest home decor haul from Amazon. So all of this stuff is kind of summery, farmhouse, romantic, boho, the stuff that I like. So I hope you like it too. I will list everything in the description box below if you want to have a look and get it for yourself. Okay, and don't forget that I am in Canada, so these are Amazon Canada prices. They're Canadian dollar. So if you're in the US, just kind of remember that these are pricier sounding than they actually are. Again, check out the links in the description box below so that you know the equivalent US price of these items. So the first thing I got were these faux peonies. You guys know that I love flowers, especially peonies and roses, and these ones are actually really beautiful. They were kind of squished when they arrived, but once I got them out of the package, they were quite fluffy. I love the color and the shape, and I love how there's more greenery added in and kind of a little bit of this white stuff. So I think these would be great for a decor element or a DIY element. And for this whole bunch, they were only $19.99 Canadian. I don't think you can have enough lights, especially at summertime and springtime, so I had got these little guys. So they're just really pretty little fairy lights. They have a copper wire to them. The cool thing about these is that they come with a remote, so I thought I was gonna maybe try to DIY some sort of ceiling treatment for my studio here and put these little copper fairy lights inside, and then I could turn them on and off with this remote. So stay tuned to see if I do that or not. So these, for two of them, were $19.99 Canadian. The next thing I found were these really pretty kind of shabby chic floral plates. They're actually paper plates. They have a little bit of a gold accent. They're by Kate Aspen, which I think most of the stuff that they have on Amazon Canada is like wedding decor and party decor, but I love that stuff because it's romantic, and I think this would be so sweet for like a Mother's Day setting or a summer party or anything like that. And these were actually only $5.46 Canadian for a set of 8. The next thing that I got was this really beautiful sort of farmhouse distressed throw. I love this. I was really impressed with how this looked. This one was only $33.79 Canadian. I love the color, this minty green color, and I love the fringe. I love that it kind of has that linen-y woven look. And I thought it would be just the perfect throw for summer. I have lots of winter throws, lots of big chunky knits, but this one is a little bit more summery looking. So I thought this would make for a really beautiful decor item for summer, and $33 Canadian, that is a great price for a throw. The next thing I got were some more lights. So these ones here are indoor-outdoor string of 25. I love kind of these like bistro restaurant style lights. I think you can use those almost anywhere too. I'll probably use them out in my garden this year. And these ones were only $21.99 Canadian. Next thing I found were these beautiful boho macrame style pillowcases. So these are just like a standard pillowcase, and they have this really beautiful French detail right here. I just loved that they were white, which you guys know I like my white decor basics, but then they have this little extra fringe on the side. They're 100% cotton. There's also a duvet that you can get matching these. I didn't get it. I might add it to my wish list for next time, but I just thought they would be a really beautiful decor basic with just a little bit of interest. And for the pair of these, it was only $25.88 Canadian. The next thing I got were some really beautiful little glass votive holders. This was also by that Kate Aspen brand that I was telling you about with the paper plates. I thought these were so cute and totally my style, really farmhousey and adorable. So they look like a little blue vintage mason jar almost, and they have some really pretty detailing on them. So I got this set of 4, thinking I could use it for maybe some summer tablescapes this year or some summer decor. Those ones were only $8 Canadian for the set of 4, and they're glass and they're actually really substantial feeling, which is nice. Okay, and the final thing that I got were these really cute little mini lanterns, also from that Kate Aspen brand from Amazon. I got 4 of these, thinking they would be really cute for a tablescape or a mantle or even just some outdoor decor. And I love that they're turquoise with that kind of little bit of distressed look. My favorite color, turquoisey aqua. Super cute for some sort of summer decor this year. And these ones were only $5.99 Canadian, and I got 4 of them. So that is my home decor haul, this time from Amazon. Let me know what your favorite item is in the comments below. I would love to hear it. If you like this video and you want me to do more of these haul videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like DIY and decor ideas on a budget. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye.